This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so nothing interrupts the change. First, verify the model and software in Settings About Phone. This matters because menus differ. Once done, plug in or confirm battery is above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so updates don't block access. Make sure you know the Samsung account, screen lock PIN, or password. These credentials are required to disable parental controls and to verify your identity during the process. You now locate the parental controls within Settings. Go to Settings and choose Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls or Biometrics and Security, depending on One UI. Tap Parental Controls or Samsung Kids and enter the device PIN or password. This unlocks the control panel. If the phone is managed by Google Family Link, make sure the parent uses the Family Link app on their device to change settings. Why? Because some restrictions are enforced remotely and must be removed from the parent account. You finish by turning off the restrictions and confirming the change. In the Parental Controls menu, choose the child profile or specific restriction, then toggle off or remove profile. Confirm with your Samsung account when asked. After changes, sign out of any linked parental Samsung account and restart the phone to apply settings. If something goes wrong, try Account Recovery or Samsung Find My Mobile to reset locks. These tools help when a PIN or parent account access is unavailable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.